Welcome to this video. So to prime my face, I'm going to be using Pond's Lasting Oil Control Vanishing Cream in Very Oily. So I'm just going to put that and spread it all over my face.
They saw me weaker, I fell out of line to silence the voices running round my mind.
For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using Woman pencil in the color 003. I'm going to use it to outline my brows and also to fill in the empty gaps in my brows. Also, to outline my brows, to clean it, I'm going to use a concealer. I'm going to be using LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the color medium beige. Also, you're going to use the concealer, you're going to blend it down to your eyelids to create a base for your eyeshadow. So let's watch how I do it.
Keep running me, searching for a way to see the light. The break of dawn was far-fetched, waiting for the day that I will smile. Depression keeps stressing me, but yes, I found hope, my only companion in this time. I'm never gonna let it go, never gonna let it go, till it shows me the way to find me. I'm never gonna give it up, I may have lost it all, but this hope is my way to joy, to be catered, to be loved for. I'm never gonna let it go, yeah, Yes, there were times they saw me crying, they never heed to wipe off the tears running down my face. Oh, running down my face, yeah, yeah, yeah. Looking for the words to bring me out, but hate keeps running me, searching for a way to see the light. The break of dawn was far-fetched, waiting for the day that I will smile. Depression keeps stressing me, but yes, I found hope, my only companion in this time. I'm never gonna let it go, never gonna let it go, till it shows me the way to find me. I'm never gonna give it up, I may have lost it all, but this hope is my way to joy, to be catered, to be loved for. I'm never gonna let it go.
The eyeshadow is pretty explanatory. I already primed my lip with concealer when I was doing my brows. If you have any questions concerning the eyeshadow, like if you don't understand what step I took, you can always ask the reason why I took a step in the comment section. I'm always there. I'm always going to reply you. Just watch and learn. It's quite easy.
I'm never gonna let it go. And yes, I found hope, my only companion in this time. And yes, I found hope, my only companion in this time. And yes, I found, after all that I've been through, yeah, 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 yeah. And yes, I found hope, my only companion in this time. I'm never gonna let it go, never gonna let it go, till it shows me the way to find me. I'm never gonna give it up, I may have lost it all, but this hope is my way to joy, to be good and to be longed for. I'm never letting go, yeah, yeah. There was a time they saw me weaker, I fell out of line to silence the voices running round my mind. My greatest fear became my terror, the life that I dreamed became the nightmare stressing out my soul. for the words to bring me out, but hate keep drowning me. Searching for a way to see the light. The break of dawn was far-fetched, waiting for the day that I will smile. Depression keeps stressing me, but yes, I found hope, my only companion in this time. I'm never gonna let it go.
Doing my eyeshadow now, I'm applying my eyelash and eyeliner off camera. You can see how beautiful I look already. My foundation, I'm going to be using two foundations. I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the color 334 Warm Sun. I'm also going to be using Milani Foundation, Total Coverage Foundation. I mix these two foundations basically because the Milani has much more coverage than the Maybelline, so it has to work. It works for me, and the Maybelline keeps my face matte, and the Milani keeps my face in coverage, gives it full coverage. So I just have to apply with a brush, and after applying with the brush, I use the beauty blender to remove the excess products and let the foundation get into my skin properly. So here is how we blend. Just know you have to blend a lot and blend until it seems flawless.
Oh, running down my face. Yeah.
My contour and I'm going to be using Wet n Wild Metal Glow Dual Ended Contour Stick in the color medium term to highlight and contour my face. Just watch how I do it. It's quite easy and explanatory.
Waiting for the day that I will smile. Depression keeps stressing me, but yes, I found hope, my only companion in this time. I'm never gonna let it go. Never gonna let it go until it shows me the way to find me. I'm never gonna give it.
I'm going to blend it all out with my beauty blender. I'm going to blend the highlights first, and I'm going to blend the contour after. I'm going to set with Black Opal Defining Finishing Powder in the color Neutral. I'm going to set my under eye, bridge of my nose, my forehead, and below my chin for that extra effect. And I think under my lip too. Yeah, we're going to set it all.
And yes, I found hope, my only companion in this time. And yes, I found, after all that I've been through, yeah. Yes, I found.
For contour, I'm going to be using a Barber eyeshadow by Warpoint Cosmetics. I'm just going to blend that to my cheekbones and on my forehead, the edges of my forehead. I'll be using Blossom Face Finishing Powder to remove the excess powder left on my face, and also to set the remaining parts of my face and to remove any harsh lines from the contour or the highlight. You know what it will be?
There was a time.
So right now I'm going to drench my face in NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. You have to put a lot for it to set.
Running round my mind.
For my waterline, I'm going to be using Zion eyeliner pencil in the color Black Velvet. I so much love this eye pencil, so much.
Became the nightmare, stressing now is my soul. Looking for the words to bring me out, but hate keep drowning me. Searching for a way to see the light. The break of dawn was far-fetched.
I'm using my L1 pencil in the color 003. I'm going to match that up with NYX Lingerie Collection in the color Seduction.
My only companion in this time. I'm never gonna let it go. Never gonna let it go until it shows me the way to find me. I'm never gonna give it up. I may have lost it all, but this hope is my way to joy, to be catered, to belong for. I'm never gonna let it go, yeah. saw me crying. They never keep to wipe off the tears running down my face. Oh, running down my face. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Looking for the words to bring me out, but hate keeps drowning me. Searching for a way to see the light. The break of dawn was far-fetched, waiting for the day that I will smile. Depression keeps stressing me.
For my glow, I'm going to be using Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I'm going to be using light to medium. You can see my glow there. They're just lightly, just like to glow. Who doesn't like to glow? Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.
And yes, I found